Also, if in this space that I'm currently in, I'd also like to impart that onto them, because you can't be too harsh on someone who is looking to start their career. You're supposed to be there, as much as you're supposed to have that firm hand with them, you're supposed to be there as a voice of reason. Hi, my name is Andile and Rafani, and I am the Recruitment and Placement Coordinator here at Andile Enterprise Development, and I've been the mentee in the CLC sessions. And with my journey, starting off from when I got matched with Dr. Jacqui Luck, it's been amazing. From the get-go, it's been a vibe. We initially spoke about how it's going to be a challenge since she is a woman, I'm a man, and we're going to be coming together with different ideologies of how to be a leader. But from that conversation stemmed something beautiful, because we initially thought that we were both going to hold back, but we've been able to unpack a whole lot. And I am very happy with the match that I've been given, because I've seen sides to myself that I thought that I wouldn't see throughout the session. I know that with everything, we always start off with a lighter note and then dive into the nitty-gritties of what we will be speaking about. And it's always a channel of just opening up more and more cans. It's been amazing. It's really been amazing. It's been impactful too. I know that for my personal life and my work life, it's been a positive influence that has been played by Dr. Jacqui. I know she's even going to be mad at me for calling her Dr. Jacqui, but I told her during our conversations that it's a cultural thing. I can't just use her first name. But I've improved as a person. I've improved as a leader. I know that she always empowers me to take a stand for myself. Don't doubt myself in things that I do, because it's all for my future. And I've gained a whole lot of confidence through the program. I've seen the benefits of it. I know that I'm a better leader than I was previously before I joined the CLC sessions. So it's really been a great journey.